Welcome the our channel. Today we how to uninstall a Eero app and factory reset your router, complete guide step by step clearly.
To begin, open the Eero app on your smartphone. Navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on the settings icon.
Scroll down until you see the option for My Account.
Tap on My Account to access your account settings. Look for the option that says Delete Account and select it. Follow the prompts to permanently delete your Eero account. Once your account is deleted, you can proceed to uninstall the Eero app.
For iPhone users, press and hold the Eero app icon on your home screen.
Select Remove App from the menu that appears.
Confirm the removal by tapping Delete App. For Android users, go to your app drawer and find the Eero app.
Tap and hold the app icon until you see the uninstall option. Drag the icon to uninstall and confirm the removal.
Now, let's focus on factory resetting your Eero router.
Locate the physical reset button on your Eero device. Typically, this button is located on the bottom or back of the router.
Using a paperclip or similar tool, press and hold the reset button.
Continue holding the button for about 15 seconds. You will see the LED light on the Eero blink red, indicating that the reset process has started. Release the button once the light changes to a blinking orange. This means your Eero has been successfully reset to factory settings. Wait a few minutes for the device to reboot completely.
Now, your Eero router is ready to set up again if needed.
You have successfully uninstalled the Eero app and factory reset your router.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.